Hello everyone, friends. On the channel today I will show you how to install on Windows 11. To begin with, we will need, of course, Python. Go in, click download in the browser, respectively. Download the installer of the latest version. Open. What's ugly about it? Well, we install it accordingly. If you already have, like me, for example, already have Python, just click modify respectively and that's it. Click install and click install. Next, we need PyCharm itself. Zakodim pishem download PyCharm. Go to the official website. Click download. Here we have this file downloaded. Let me pause. So, after that, open this file. We are waiting. Click yes and click next. Accordingly, select the installation folder, click next. Here, accordingly, I will create an icon for the desktop as you want, and accordingly immediately put a tick on the Python files so that it opens Python files for me. Click next, install, and wait for installation. That's it. Well, after installation, click the Start checkbox and click on the Finish button, after which we will start respectively PyCharm. This is how it all looks. We are waiting. We accept the terms of use and accordingly click Allow. You can accordingly import the SVS code settings here. I don't need it. I'll skip it. And accordingly, here we have in general, yes, settings. So, yes, configuration. Well, there is accordingly the configuration here. You can open your Python projects. Yes, this can be called Chancellor. That's it. Well, my Python has already pulled up. That's it. Well, here are the Python settings. That's it. And you can also work with plugins and all that. That's all. It was an error, like, subscribe to the channel. Have a good life to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Bye, everyone.